Wildflower Seed and Tool Company. My name is Michael Landis. Today I'm going to be showing you our interchangeable head garden tool set. What we have is 4 different garden heads and 1 telescopic handle. This is made out of a very lightweight, durable, strong aluminum. And what you can do is place whatever cutting head you would like onto that telescopic handle. The heads drop in and lock in place. You can change this in 3 seconds. What we like about this tool is its functional use. It's very lightweight, very durable, very strong. We find it a major asset for people living in condominiums, for the elderly who maybe don't want to carry around a 4 or 5 pound tool anymore. This weighs less than a pound with the cutting head attached. Or for children. This is a fantastic tool if you're a grandparent and you want to get your children involved in gardening. The telescopic handle can be adjusted from 3 feet to 5 feet. We really like this tool. Let me show you how it works into the garden. Follow me. This is the hoe portion of what we were talking about. This is a real tool. This is not a toy set. These things are very durable, very strong. You'll find children like this because you can teach them to garden. They can have their own custom designed tool set where they can get right down in here and it's still light enough for them to handle and be a real worker into the garden along your side. I'll show you again how easy it is to change implement heads. Just place it right into the hole, twist the lock, and you're done. New tool. So again, you've got another tool with 1 handle. Very easy to switch them out. Very light in weight. You'll find this a big asset to have in your tool shed. One of the incredible features on this tool is the adjustability, the telescopic handle. This handle can be adjusted from 3 feet, which it is now, just by twisting the tool, and you can adjust it any length you want. So it's really a custom fitted tool. You can see how tall it is right here. For me, I'm comfortable about this height here. So this is the rake head. What's nice again is you're taking a normal 5 pound tool and turning it into less than a 1 pound tool. After a hard session in the garden, what you do is just disassemble the tool, hang it right back up, back into the garden shed, and you're done. Notice the amount of space this takes. It takes hardly any space at all. It can be hung up almost any place you have, just a small section of wall. I want to thank you for taking a look at this today. Again, this is Michael Landis, the Wildflower Seed and Tool Company. You can purchase this on our website, www.wildflower-seed.com. Happy gardening.